What's going on, guys? It's Boy Max from RPM RC coming at you with another video today. And we are at a local waterfall, actually. And it's a trail. It's a nice day in the North Country. Lots of snow. I got the Red Cat Gen 7 Everest Pro with my new foams and wheel weights. And the TRX4 is the same as it's been for a while.
What is that on top?
That is a little like knockoff GoPro that we got a while back that actually shoots with some really good footage. It's gone dead, but I think we got some really good footage on it. So we'll see if we can work our magic and do a little practice with editing here in the very near future. Well, either way, I say we get down this switchback because...
Let's see if we can make it. I'm going to let you go first because I can't see.
All right, so for now, you guys will just be seeing the Red Cat, but don't worry, we'll get both of them later on in the video. So let's head down this.
How long have you been running the battery?
We've been going for probably 20 minutes or so, probably a little longer, maybe half hour. We got the two of our bigger batteries in them, which is one of the things that I love about the Red Cat is it takes the big batteries, unlike the Ascender. Well, this is a pretty cool little switchback road, and I did get this on the little GoPro. So it looks like there's a trail over here to the right to get us to the bottom of the falls, but we'll show you about midway. But yeah, guys, these weights are working pretty good.
You want to go right out to the middle?
Where we just were?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's show them midway down in the falls first.
There's nobody there now.
Yeah, and we'll see if we can... I don't know if we can make our way down that. We might be able to. Oh, I drove in the same hole. Oh, and I got out. So, I think there's a trail here, and there might be one down there. We'll have to see which one looks better for us. But we can definitely get down that one. But let's see. Yes. Yeah. We got the two heaviest trucks in the fleet, so... But yeah, if it sounds like I'm yelling, guys, it's because I kind of am. These are some pretty big falls.
About 60 feet, I think.
About 60 feet, according to my dad.
That's a guess.
That's a guess. Yeah. It looks like there's a trail there and a trail back. I think we're probably going to take the one back, maybe. But I'm going to get out of the way so my dad's truck can get in here. We're going to pause real quick. Take a gander at this, guys. I'd say that's probably over 60. Let's see if we can get the trucks out here. All right, guys, so there's the falls. We're gonna make our way down, I think. So, let's go. I don't think we can make it through that, but there's a pretty significant whoop right here. That,
Go ahead and I'll go after.
Oh yeah, easy. Nice. All right, let's get down there. Ooh, those wheel weights actually helped me right there. I almost went over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Yeah, there's no way we're getting back up this one, guys. Not at the moment, at least.
Yeah, I can't tell how much trail I'm on.
Yeah, it's going. So, yeah, guys. I'm actually really enjoying this. If you fall off of this, I think we should try and fall to the right. Oh no! Well, guys, we almost had it. I thought I was gonna get around him. The back end went down with it. Well, I think that ways are gonna be our best bet.
If we can make it.
If we can make it. Full power. Full power doesn't work.
More power.
Well, I'm
Oh,
heavy.
look at her go.
I'm heavier. Go! Oh, come on.
You gotta stop once it's done. She's gonna dig the bottom.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes!
Really yanking the servo around.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get too close because I don't know how much that's fun.
Yeah.
But we can get a little video of the
Yeah.
falls at least.
I can't go back any farther. Oh, you almost rolled her. Oh. Oh.
It's a little gnarly down there.
There we go.
Ooh. There's some holes. I'm be careful because there could be water in those holes.
All right. Yeah, I don't know. The red cat never would have done that without the weights. All right, guys. Woo! I almost fell in one of those holes. Well, all right, guys. That's gonna be about it. Not exactly like you can keep going.
Well, it's definitely not New York City.
Yeah. Well, guys, I hope that video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome. And remember, I upload frequently.